Hello everyone, my name is Oilid. Welcome to my channel, which is about guitars and music. You can subscribe, it would make me very happy. And you have that power, so please subscribe. So today we meet again about an Edwards guitar. What is Edwards? Well, it comes in this kick bag branded ESP. A very nice gig bag, by the way. Edwards is a brand owned by ESP. Edwards are ESP made guitars in Japan, which makes it far superior compared to made in Indonesia Ltd. Edwards are equivalent of ESP made in Japan. Then comes the ESP made in USA. So Edwards is a top-notch brand. I think this video, if you know me, I'm very honest and I don't know how to say that in English because I'm French and I lack some vocabulary, vocabulaire impitoyable. But this guitar here, the Edwards E-EX-125D. It's an Explorer shape, obviously, guitar with the typical banana headstock. You can see the engraved Edwards truss rod cover, and it's all mahogany and it's a feather. It weighs only 3 kilo 300 grams. It is very light. It's the lightest of all my guitars, and it's made out of mahogany body, mahogany neck, and rosewood fingerboard, nickel frets, jumbo, Goto bridge, Goto tuners, Seymour Duncan active. The guitar is very light and very resonant and out of tune. It's the loudest of all my guitars too. It's very light and very resonant. Why? Because the mahogany, it's a fine piece of wood chosen by the ESP employees, made by Edwards, obviously, and it's a top-notch, resonant, light wood. Mahogany are all the guitar made out of mahogany which I owned were always very heavy. This one is astonishingly light. The rosewood, I hate rosewood, but I love this one. Why? Because it's quality rosewood. Let me show you. The grain is very tight. It feels like a maple or an ebony rosewood. I can scratch with my nails on the fretboard and I cannot feel any gaps. It's silky smooth. Once again, Edwards have chosen their woods with quality. The neck, there are no sharp fret ends. There's one trick you can make to know if your neck is good or not, it's to hold it here and let it slide. Okay? One trick to know if your fingerboard, your frets are good or bad. If your fingers aren't bleeding or if you are missing one finger, it means that it's a very well fretted guitar. This one is very well fretted guitar. I'm absolutely in love with this guitar. There's nothing wrong. One trick also, if you want to avoid Chinese or fake Edwards, generally on genuine Edwards, the made in Japan under the serial number is just a sticker. Fake Edwards are engraved made in Japan. Okay? The satin finish, open pore, black open pore is gorgeous. It's really gorgeous. I'll never buy a glossy guitar, especially on the neck, a gloss neck. Never, never, never. You can see here the volute. Everything, it's perfect. It holds tune very well. I've got nothing bad to say about the Edwards Explorer. It's if you see an Edwards, whether it's Explorer, Flying V or Les Paul, sorry Gibson, if you're watching, FBI, open up! Don't hesitate, buy it. It's really a good bang for the buck. It's really excellent guitar. You will ask, how can you find Edwards, which is a Japanese distributed brand, but it's forbidden in the USA and almost all Europe. You can find them in Japan and in Russia. Why Russia? Because obviously no. They don't give a... There are some shops in Europe which help them. Search, and you will find them. What else can I say? I'm going through the specs. Mahogany, rosewood, 12 inches radius, even. It's very cool. Bow nut, pearl dot, set neck, Goto, and black hardware. There's nothing wrong about it. There's nothing wrong. It's a perfect guitar. So now I'm gonna leave you with sounds. Once again, you have the power to make me happy by subscribing. You have that power. You have the power.